In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track inventory in Zoho Books. Zoho Books includes built-in, FIFO-based inventory tracking that automatically updates your stock every time you record purchases and sales. Setting it up the right way ensures your quantities, costs, and reports stay accurate and consistent. Start by enabling inventory tracking. In Zoho Books, go to Settings, then choose Items and open Items again. Here, check Enable Inventory Tracking and click Save. Once this is on, Zoho Books begins using the FIFO method to calculate your cost of goods sold and the value of the inventory on your balance sheet. It's best to enable this before you enter transactions that affect stock, so the system can value items correctly from the start. If you are already using Zoho Books, plan to review your items right after enabling to make sure they're set up for tracking. Next, configure your items. Navigate to Items, then create a new item or edit an existing one. Check Track Inventory. This is where you define the accounts used for inventory tracking and set your stock levels. Choose the appropriate inventory asset and cost of goods sold accounts so your books stay aligned with your chart of accounts. Add details like the item name or SKU, purchase and sales prices, and tax preferences if you use them. Enter your opening stock and the opening rate as of your chosen start date. And set a reorder point if you want a heads up before you run low. Remember, only items with track inventory enabled will move stock when you buy or sell them. Services and non-tracked items won't affect quantity on hand. Save the item to apply your changes. With tracking enabled and items configured, head to your reports. Go to Reports and click Inventory. The inventory summary gives you a snapshot of stock on hand and committed stock, so you can see what's available now and what's reserved for open sales. The Inventory Valuation Report shows the value of your inventory based on FIFO and the unit costs recorded through your purchases. Use the date range and filters to match your reporting period and focus on specific items as needed. Reviewing these reports regularly helps you catch unusual spikes or dips and maintain accurate financials. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.